first one is open the Google Class application and click on the class assignment section, then click passing and select the quiz assignment, because the assignment to be created is a multiple choice assignment. Then create a title while marking all students who will receive the assignment. After that, give a limit for the collection of text. For example, until February. Okay, it's time to make a question by clicking on the blank quiz and then changing the title. Every day typing instructions. Read the following text and answer question. Okay, the next step is to make a question. After that, if you want to ask more than one question, click the closing, then select the answer. After that, give point to correct answer. 10 point for one question. Then the second part is the same as when you first created the problem before. You can try this. And then we can also add themes such as book picture. Enter at the sentence tag to student. Okay, next enter at the standing stack to student. Clarifying wait and the question has been sent. Okay, enter the student account in answering question. Select the class that you are taking, then open the previous post from the teacher, and then answer the question about the content of the student. Email address first, then answer by selecting correct answer. Then submit when finish answering. Just simple. Okay. For the student assignment stack, open the teacher account and enter the student assignment. There is a name and point. Then we can add movement to the position next to the grade. Then return it to the student. Because the student know the value. The teacher can also give encouraging comment such as good job, okay guys, now learn how to search for simple formula in a spreadsheet program like in the Excel and Microsoft program. First one is open a new assignment. We will look for the average number of highest and lowest values using formulas such as Microsoft Excel. Okay. henceforth we try to add the UTS value and UAS value using a simple formula that is C5 plus D6 D5 sorry, and then enter, then copy down, copy down like this. For average, E5 straight 2, enter, then copy down. This is an example to find a simple formula. If we use the formula sum for the sample, the highest value, and then lowest value, okay, we will look for the sum value of the UTS value using the formula sum. C7, then enter, and the average value, C5, then C7, enter, and then the next highest value, maximum C or max C5 C7, enter, and lowest value minimum C5 C7, enter, this done, we just copy it to the right. Copy block, copy and block this and paste, temple. This result has become a formula in the Google Spreadsheet program. Thank you guys.